Sir, few words.
Secretary साहब कहाँ हैं? मैं secretary साहब हमारे जी हमारे जी It's been दरवाजा बंद कर देना. It's an honor to be in Chennai. Uh, in many ways, a beacon in terms of its growth, prosperity uh, over the years. And I'm here as Minister of the Northeast to come and invite our businessmen and businesswomen from Chennai to participate in what I see is the largest opportunity across India, which is investment in the Northeast. This is part of our donor ministries roadshow across multiple cities over the last 2 to 3 months. We have tremendous potential on one side in the Northeast across infrastructure, across logistics, across agriculture, floriculture, horticulture, tourism, information technology, engineering, health, education, tremendous opportunities. And on the other hand, Chennai, in many ways, is a huge success story. And therefore, we are here to engage with investors in Chennai to come and be part of the story in the Northeast. As I have heard, we've had a tremendous amount of interest over the last day and a half. A lot of people have come forward with MOUs and letter of intents to be part of this journey. And it is our hope that as we conclude this roadshow initiative over the next couple of months and hold the Northeast Investment Summit in Delhi, it will herald a new paradigm in the development of our Ashtalakshmi states, taking forward the Prime Minister's huge impetus towards the Uttar Purva Rajya, the Northeast states, where Government of India has invested almost about 5 lakh crores over the last 10 years, over 1 lakh 2,000 crores every single year from the gross budgetary support of 54 line ministries. Huge multipliers in terms of infrastructure, social infrastructure, physical infrastructure across the region. And now I think the Northeast is ready for new investment. We already have a new semiconductor fab coming up in Assam, which is almost 40,000 crores worth of investment. That itself is a new opportunity for the auto sector from Chennai also to look at in terms of setting up a lot of their ancillaries in the Northeast to take advantage of the co-location next to the fab as well, and many other industries such as telecom and engineering and so on and so forth. So it's wonderful to be in Chennai, and I do hope that this will translate into many new opportunities for investment for the Northeast. Thank you.
सर आपने विरासत के साथ विकास की बात की थी तो what potential industry
So I
sectors
think
are
there are
looking for
tremendous
from Chennai?
opportunities. I mentioned some of that in my speech. Whether you look at tourism, and India is a treasure house in terms of our potential of culture and heritage in our tourism sector. Whether you look at agriculture, whether you look at horticulture, whether you look at floriculture, whether it is agarwood, whether it is bamboo, whether it is orchids in terms of flowers. Sikkim is an organic state across all products. We have 1.55 lakh hectares across the northeast that are completely and totally organic. So there are opportunities across multiple factors. जब हम चर्चा करते हैं विकास भी और विरासत भी, और इसका सबसे अच्छा उदाहरण हमारे उत्तर पूर्वी राज्य हमारे अष्टलक्ष्मी हैं। तो चेन्नई का अष्टलक्ष्मी का मंदिर और अष्टलक्ष्मी जो पुराना रिश्ता था, the old relationship between Tamil Nadu and the northeast, from the Brahmaputra trade used to occur to the Coromandel coast. So it's time we awaken those old relationships once again. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.